Good morning. It's a muted start to trade on Dalal Street, but this was to be expected. We've had quite the weak handover from the US markets as well as the Asian markets this morning. Remember, President Joe Biden in the US is said to be considering a proposal to double the capital gains tax on wealthy investors in a bid to fund his infrastructure spending program. And that clearly has had an effect on the rest of the world. The markets therein, you could be seeing some profit taking. In any case, foreign institutional investors have been selling consistently in the Indian markets in yesterday's session as well, despite what you saw in terms of the recovery that the benchmark indices saw over the course of the day, and they ended in the green. You had foreign institutions net sell equity worth as much as 900 crore rupees. Of course, domestic institutions stepped into the breach and they bought that similar amount. You could very easily see that playing out in today's session as well. But back to the Nifty, down about 50 points at this juncture. You have only about 23 stocks that are advancing, but more or less even Stevens on that front for the breadth of the Nifty 50. What are the stocks that are in focus? Among the gainers, you have the likes of Power Grid Corporation right at the top, gaining significantly about 3.8%, doing well. SBI Life up 2.4%, Divi's Lab 1.5%, Tata Steel still doing well after yesterday's stellar session, up 1.5%, Tata Consumer up 1% or so, and the likes of HDFC Life, Asian Paints, Sun Pharma, Hindalco all gaining significantly. HCL Tech also gaining ahead of its results. Among the losers, actually, you have quite a few heavyweights losing ground. You have the likes of HUL, HDFC Bank, Bajaj Finance, ICICI Bank, Infosys, all of them losing ground and dragging the Nifty lower. ICICI Bank, of course, posts its results tomorrow. Now, zoom out to the broader markets and the market breadth actually starts looking significantly better. You have two gainers for every loser on the broader markets, and that is reflective again in the way the broader market indices are performing. The mid-cap and the small-cap index performing very well at the start today, up 0.7 and 0.9% respectively. So that's a clear risk-on move on that side. Look at the picture for the sectoral indices then, and you have the Nifty Bank that is underperforming today, down about 0.5%. Auto that is losing about 0.4%. You have FMCG that's down about 0.4%. And you have a few sectors that are actually doing reasonably well. The media sector, the Nifty Media is up about 1%. Metals is up another 0.9%. Pharma is up today by as much as 0.6%. And that more or less wraps up the picture for the